First we have to add onion, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, salt. As it's mixed, now we have to add that minced chicken. Mix it. Now add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix it. A glass of milk into it and cook it. Now as you can see that the milk is boiled in it, so we are going to add half chicken cube and mix it. Now as you can see that it has become saucy, so now we will be adding, cook it for a minute and it's ready, and let it cool down. Let's egg wash these. Let's put it in the oven.